We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone FaceTime not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you then can't go and make FaceTime calls. We've got some different fixes you can try. Make sure you watch this full video. To get started, try restarting the app. So open it up and swipe up on it, and then you can go and fully close it like so. See if that solves it. If it doesn't, you want to open up your settings. Scroll down, you need to find General, then you need to scroll down and find Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is switched on. Go and see if that then solves it. If it still doesn't, you want to come back, press the search at the top or bottom depending upon your phone, and then you can go and type in FaceTime and come to FaceTime in apps. If you're trying to use mobile data, make sure it's switched on. You want to come down here and go and switch off FaceTime and then go and switch it back on. When it's turned back on, you can go down to you can be reached at FaceTime at, and make sure you go and select the numbers and emails you want to use. See if that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, let's do a forced restart. Press the volume increase, then decrease, and hold down the side power button. Shortly, it will go black. Only release it when you see the Apple icon, like now, and wait. See if it's now working. The next thing you can do is go and open your settings, scroll down to General, and come to Software Update. If there's an update available, go and do it. After that, hopefully it'll then be solved.